Anant Dwivedi Foundation was established in 2025 with a mission to ensure a world where every child grows with emotional strength, confidence, and support. The activities of the foundation are aligned to meet this vision of delivering compassionate, research-based initiatives for ensuring mental well-being. The programs cover every section of the society with a targeted approach. Beginning with the most vulnerable section, namely the orphaned homeless children, to the financially struggling kids in need of scholarship, to even anxious teenagers studying in elite educational institutions, Anant Dwivedi Foundation, that is ADF, reaches out to every section of the society. The initiatives are as follows. Anant Day Celebration. The primary focus of this initiative are children without parents and without means. The homeless orphan kids are the most vulnerable in any society. They lack emotional support, family care, and financial stability. It leaves a lasting scar on their entire life. Anant was born on 14th June 2003. The foundation established in his memory commemorates his life by celebrating 14th of every month as Anant Day. ADF leadership and volunteers conduct sports events for the homeless kids after distributing sports equipment. A feeling of belongingness is inculcated among the kids who always felt abandoned. Outdoor sports like cricket and football builds competitive spirit and athletic ability among the malnourished kids. Indoor games like chess and carom board sharpen the mind and improve hand-eye coordination. Sports contests of homeless kids with school teams associated with ADF help create an inclusive environment, integrating them into the mainstream of the society. Orphans are made to feel appreciated and cared for as equal members of the society so that they grow up to be upright citizens. In orphanages for smaller kids, ADF asks children below 6 years of age on what they need to make them happy. Anant Day is celebrated by engaging with them and distributing food materials demanded by them. For infants needing treatment, ADF also provides aid for medical support. For the age group 6 to 15, Anant Day is the day where they forget their fate and enjoy the day. The activities like pep talks, games and mental well-being session are aimed at improving mental well-being of the children. In the homeless shelter for orphan girls, we also provide mental well-being session along with other required necessities. ADF scholarship. The presence of parents alone doesn't guarantee mental well-being. Children with parents but without financial means face unique challenges in their school. Growing up alongside classmates from privileged backgrounds, the poor kids face discrimination, inferiority complex, and self-esteem issues. Most scholarship programs, including government scholarship, focuses on merit-based criteria to fund textbooks and fees for the students. ADF scholarship program is a holistic program that goes one step ahead to fund not just fees but also provide essentials like school uniforms, bags, shoes, water bottles, notebooks, geometry box, etc., and clothes for their home usage. ADF scholarship is purely need-based so that students with financial need are the only beneficiaries of the program. Our scholarship covers secondary school students from class 8th, 9th and 10th. By approaching schools with a proposal, we request school principals and class teachers to shortlist needy students. An application review and financial due diligence is conducted to ensure genuine candidates. After the application is processed, the foundation distributes the study materials directly to the students. On behalf of the parents, fees for the entire academic year are remitted directly to the school. By taking the holistic development of kids in mind, ADF scholarship ensures that no student grows up with stress, depression, or inferiority complexes caused by lack of funds. ADF mental well-being sessions. We recognize that even children with loving parents coming from affluent background are vulnerable to mental health crisis. Working parents in pursuit of their career are often short of time for their kids. The students feel neglected while the parents justify it as working towards their future. Academic competition and the race to make the cut in entrance exams also takes a heavy toll on students. Exams lead to anxiety and poor scores often result in self-harm and depression. Peer pressure causes youngsters to emulate bad habits like addiction. Social media causes feelings of inadequacy even among good-looking students. Movies glorifying violence results in influencing impressionable minds. To prevent mental health crises caused by various factors, ADF conducts mental well-being sessions in colleges. The mental well-being sessions are curated by top experts and clinical psychologists by keeping in mind the recurring mental health concerns and scientific method to alleviate it. The interactive session focuses on academic stress and procrastination, identity, peer influence and social media, bullying, resilience and seeking help, emotional and social skill building, growth, leadership and future pathways. At the end of each session, our helpline number is shared with the students for reaching out in case they need mental health support or individual counseling. By distributing the helpline number to students who can't speak up in public are given an opportunity to reach out in private. Anant Helpline Foundation understands that the mental health crisis is a silent killer in society today. It impacts every age group from toddlers to elderly. Besides running dedicated programs targeting the most vulnerable children, ADF also operates Anant Helpline number for the general public to reach out. The helpline number provides a listening ear to mental health concerns and directs it towards an in-house counselor whenever needed. Trained counselors talk one-to-one with the callers to address their mental health concerns. Through free telephonic counseling, Mental Health Helpline number 022410841000 extension 18 acts as a gateway to a better society. Our team of guest speakers, psychologists, and expert panelists recognize that mental health isn't a fixed state but a dynamic journey. Through timely intervention, ADF supports individuals and communities during downturns, enabling them to regain stability and reach their full potential.